After the wildlife and the pet life stories, it's time to learn about
farm animals.
Exactly. The farm animals are straight from Old MacDonald's farm. But I have a question. The farm animals are eating mostly grass and they are living in farm under the shed. Then what else we can learn from this video?
I know. We will learn farm animals and their babies, their sound name, and what they give us.
Perfect. So let's start. Can you tell me which farm animal is this?
This is a cow, moo moo, brown cow.
And what the young one of a cow is called?
Cow baby is called calf.
And what cow gives us?
Cow gives us milk. Moo moo, brown cow, happy on your milk.
Yes, sir. 3 jugs, smooth as silk.
One for you and one for me.
And one for the little cat who
Sits in the tree.
we already know that the cow sound is called
Moo.
yes. So, leaving this innocent domestic or farm animal, we move to the next one. What animal is this?
This is sheep. Baba black sheep.
And who is with this Baba black sheep? What is the young one of a sheep called?
Sheep baby is called lamb.
Right. Can you tell me what does a sheep give us?
Sheep gives us wool.
They have plenty of wool, so they give some of them to us.
Sheep sound is called ba.
That's all about our Baba black sheep. Now let's see what animal is next. What animal is this? Do you know?
This is a horse. Horse sound is called neigh. Horse gives us
Transportation. They carry us from one place to another. Do you know what a horse baby is called?
horse baby is called foal.
Yes, this is a mama horse and its baby. Here is another mama animal. What is it?
This is a camel.
With a calf. Camel baby is called calf. What is on its back?
Hump.
Right. Camel has hump on its back. Like horse, camel also gives us transportation. Camel sound is called
Bleat. Bleat. Bleat.
Now, after camel, what animal is this? Is it a horse?
No, this is a donkey.
Yes, and the donkey is eating straw. Other than grass, farm animals love to eat straw. What is a baby donkey called?
Donkey baby is called foal.
And donkey sound is called?
Donkey sound is called hee-haw, hee-haw, hee-haw.
So, after donkey, which farm animal is this?
This is a goat.
Right. Donkey and goat both gives us
Milk.
goat baby is called.
Kid. Goat sound is called meh 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 meh.
Okay, so like donkey, goat and cow, who else give us milk?
Buffalo. This is a buffalo.
And what does a buffalo say all day?
Buffalo says grunt, grunt, grunt.
Like cow, buffalo baby is also called.
Cough.
These are water buffaloes. Like hippopotamus, they like to be in water. Our next animal is
Pig. Pig baby is called piglet.
the piglets are eating straw. Pig sound is called.
Oink, oink, oink.
Pig gives us.
Meat.
Pig meat is called.
Pork.
Beside all the farm animals, there are some farm birds too. Can you tell me what bird is this?
This is a duck.
Duck sound is called.
Quack, 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 quack.
What does a duck give us?
Duck gives us egg.
And what is a baby duck called?
Duck baby is called duckling.
See, there is another farm bird.
This is a hen.
What does a hen give us?
Hen gives us an egg.
The young one of a hen is called.
Hen baby is called chick.
And what sound does a hen make?
Cluck, 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 cluck.
So that's all about today's farm life video. Besides liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel, I hope you can match this worksheets too. So you all solve this. See you in the next video.
Bye, 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 bye.